Greetings. In this presentation, I want to talk about the top 3 essential skills to be a successful instructional design specialist and why those are. First of all, a successful instructional design specialist is one that is knowledgeable about the instructional design theory and frameworks. Why I believe this is an essential skill? Because a successful instructional designer needs to understand how to apply the concepts and ideas that lay the framework for the field of instructional design. This instructional designer is able to understand how those research-driven concepts and ideas inform the design of learning experiences, and also how those concepts identify the process of learning. Second, I believe a successful instructional designer is informed about the use of technology tools for learning. An instructional design specialist uses and practices these tools and is able to identify how these tools apply and enhance the learning experience. A successful instructional designer is one that explores the usability and applicability of the features of the different technologies, focusing on learning. This instructional designer needs to practice these tools and able to align these tools for learning to the learning objectives. Last but not least, I believe a successful instructional designer is one that shares a passion and a commitment to the improvement and advancement of the learner's experience. Why I believe this is an essential skill? Because an instructional designer is creating instruction to advance the learner's experience. This is within the mission of a successful instructional designer. He or she is in charge of improving and providing the tools and design for the learners to gain the knowledge, but also to enjoy the process of learning. I believe these are the 3 essential skills that a successful instructional designer needs. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.